Hi guys, how are you doing today? So I'm back in my YouTube channel with another book review of a book which I recently got to read. Now this book is called One Indian Girl and it's written by, of course, you all know it. It's written by Chetan Bhagat. Now this is a very interesting book, but before I start this review, I want all Chetan Bhagat haters to just leave the channel because I know that you guys, no matter what I say, no matter what he writes, will always hate him. So please, I don't need that kind of negativity here. If you are a Chetan Bhagat hater, I am sure you would not want to watch this video. So please, you're welcome to leave. But yeah, for those of you who like his writing and you like, knowing about a good book which has come out in the market, this is a good book. I just recently read it. I read it last week and I liked it. In fact, on my website, bookgeeks.in, I rated it 4.5 out of 5 stars. So there must be some reason why I did that, right? Yeah. So moving on to the story is of a young girl, Radhika, and she's a very hi-fi, hotshot banker who lives in London and who works in Goldman Sachs as an investment banker. And she's arranged to get married to a guy called Brijesh Gulati, and they're about to have a destination wedding in Goa. Now, just when all the Baratis are arriving at Goa for their wedding, a lot of events take place and the whole Radhika's entire world is thrown into chaos and she's unable to know what to do and how to go forward with this wedding because there are a lot of things which happen simultaneously which make it very difficult for her to go along with the wedding. Now rewind into a couple of years in the past and Radhika's in New York, just fresh out of college and working as an investment banker in New York for Goldman Sachs, and where she meets this young guy called Debu, who's working in an advertising firm in New York, and they instantly hit it off well because Radhika is also alone and she needs company and Debu is quite promising and interesting. So they get together, they become a couple, they start living in, and somewhere down the line a lot of things crop up, they lose interest in each other and a lot of things happen, and finally Debu leaves Radhika alone. He breaks up with her and Radhika, unable to take all of that, just decides to shift to the Hong Kong office of Goldman Sachs. Now here she meets another guy who goes by the name Neil and she again falls in love with him, and this guy is actually married with a family, with kids, everything. And they fall in love, but still Neil is not ready to leave his family for Radhika because he doesn't want that. He wants his own family and he wants Radhika also. But Radhika is not done with it, so finally she decides to quit all of it, decides to say no to all of this and agrees to get arranged marriage. And in marriage it is fixed by her family, and in which she's getting married to this guy called Brijesh Gulati. So yeah, again, come back to the present. She's supposedly getting married in another day or two to Brijesh in her destination wedding at Goa. And there she gets a call. She gets a call from Debu, who actually lands up in Goa, and she also gets a call from Neil, who also lands up in Goa. Both of them know that she's getting married and both of them have realized that she is one not worth losing. So now we have a very interesting twist. So what will happen? What decision will Radhika take? That is for you guys to know when you read this book. I myself enjoyed this book a lot and I definitely recommend this book to all you guys. If you are looking for a chick lit kind of thing, if you are looking for general fiction, if you are looking for a little bit of romance, a little bit of fun, humor, everything, this is the book to go to. And the best thing about this book is the fact that Chetan has written in a girl's voice. Now Radhika is a girl and Chetan has done a really good job of writing in a girl's voice. The emotions, the upheavals, the melodrama, all the things which Radhika feel, her feelings, Chetan has written it really well. Just by reading the book, you cannot know that this is not written by a girl. It's in fact written by a man. It's insane. It's insane. So I believe that is Chetan's versatility as a writer, that he's able to go into different genres, go into different characters, go into different voices and still able to come out with a very good book. If you're looking for a book which is high on literary value, no, this is not the book to be. This is just an entertaining read. If you make a movie out of it, it will be fantastic. If you take it as a one-time read, it will be fantastic. But yeah, you cannot say that it has literary value. So I am also not saying that. But I guess Indian public these days are more into entertaining reads than literary reads, and that is why authors like Chetan Bhagat sells so much, because that is what Indian public want, right? And I mean, of course, that is what I also want. Some people question me like, what are you reading and why are you reading all this? But simply, I enjoy all these reads. It's not that somebody is forcing me to. I enjoy these kind of reads. I enjoy chiclets. I enjoy romance. I enjoy Chetan Bhagat's novel. So it's nothing to be ashamed of, right? So in case you're looking for a very interesting read, do get this book. The cover is not that interesting. I didn't like the cover personally. I was thinking, what the hell? But then the book inside is really good. I think the main reason the cover is not very peppy is because it might give an idea it's a chiclet book, which the climax is interesting. I like the climax a lot. I love the characters. The plot is also very interesting, and the frequent change from past to present in the narration is also very fun. And that's it from me. So if you've read the book, or you're planning to read the book, or you have some opinion or comments about or questions about this book, feel free to mention that in the comment section below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I make book related videos on this channel. I also make DIYs. I also make travel related videos. So if you're interested in anything of that sort, do subscribe to my channel. So that's it from me. Bye.